In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style Squarespace blog posts. Beginner tutorial. Start by opening your Squarespace site and heading to Pages in the left sidebar. Find your blog in the list and open it. Once you're there, choose Edit so you can work directly on the page. Hover over the blog list section and select Edit section. This opens the settings for how your blog posts are displayed. Next, explore the layout options. Click through Side-by-Side Blog to see a two-column look, then try Single-Column Blog for a clean linear feed. Switch to Masonry Blog if you want a dynamic Pinterest-style grid that adapts to image heights. Test Basic Grid Blog for a tidy, uniform grid and alternating side-by-side. If you like posts, switching image and text positions down the page. Feel free to click each one to preview. Squarespace updates the design instantly, so you can compare before committing. Still in the section settings, adjust the width. Choose Inset for comfortable margins around your content, or Full for edge-to-edge impact. Inset often improves readability. Full can be great for bold, image-heavy blogs. Now fine-tune alignment and metadata. Set text alignment to left for the most legible reading experience. Adjust image text. Alignment to middle so text lines up nicely with your visuals. Then, set meta position to top so details like date and author appear above the title, helping readers quickly scan important info. When your layout feels right, open the Design panel for colors or site styles. Go into the Color Editor and switch to Custom to work with your own palette. Open the palette and use the Site-Wide group so your changes apply consistently across the site. Tweak text colors for body copy. Aim for high contrast against your background. Update heading colors, starting with heading extra large for your main titles and heading medium for subheads, ensuring a clear visual hierarchy. Adjust the section divider stroke. If you use separators, keeping it subtle but visible. Move to links to define default and hover states that are clear and accessible. Then, refine button colors so primary actions stand out while still matching your palette. As you preview, look at date text in your blog list to make sure metadata remains readable and on-brand. Once everything looks consistent, layout, alignment, and colors, click Save. That locks in your changes and applies them to your blog. And that's it. You navigated to your blog, tested multiple layouts, set alignment and metadata positions, customized colors site-wide, and saved your design. Revisit these settings anytime as your content evolves, and keep your choices accessible with strong contrast and clear hierarchy. Thanks for watching, and happy styling!